in here. Sprayed. It's covered with toilet paper. Or get in.
Oh. Jeez, Brian. Do you like when you're in the bathroom? Do you like flush the toilet and then run out of the bathroom when you do it?
No, he takes like 5 minutes to wash his hands.
No. Oh.
That is an exaggeration.
So I have to do a lot of editing on this tape.
Okay. Ready?
Shall I flush it so that your arm isn't across the...
Okay. I don't see anything. You know, it could be independent from toilet to toilet.
This is a good test. If there was something coming up, if there was a fair amount coming up, we should detect some moisture. In this case, if there's moisture, it's not enough to soak through the paper.
Yeah.
So what?
I would guess that it depends on the toilet.
We should probably have Ryan check the underside of the toilet paper for any moisture.
Ryan? Why?